Yo, what is up, you guys? It's your girl Becca back with another YouTube video. Today, it's a much happier video than the last video I uploaded, and it's more professional, and it will have editing, and I don't want to ramble on too long because, I don't want to have a ton of editing to do, but I thought right now, since tomorrow is the last day of school, I would go through my backpack and, see what's in my backpack on the last day of school. Because I'm sure there's a ton of random crap in there that I didn't even know. So, let's get into this. So, I did see this video on another channel, and I thought it'd be cool to redo it. This channel was Emma Marie's World. I watch her videos sometimes, not all the time, but if I see a video that I might want to watch, then I'll watch it, obviously. So this is one of the videos I saw, so this is inspired by her. Yeah. So this is my backpack. You saw at the beginning of the year when I did a back to school haul. And yeah. It's got some things on it. And we were allowed to keep our backpacks with us. Oops. Okay, we'll start with the big pouch. Why not? Oh, my backpack also broke. This zipper right here got stuck on this little flap. So, I had to cut it. Okay, so this has two pouches. So it has a big pouch, and then it has a place for your laptop, which I don't have one, so I use it for notebooks and stuff. So we'll start in the laptop one. I have my pencil pouch, which just has highlighters and pens and stuff in case I needed them for this last week. Because this last week has just been finals, and I've gotten good grades on all of them so far. Tomorrow I have my last two, and so excited. Now I just have my math notebook and some math notes to help me, for me to study tomorrow before I take my math final. And then I just have my, so this is my math book. We had two this year, so we have this second semester. Yeah. So this was your second semester. We had another one for first semester. You don't even care. Okay. Oh. This paper I did in English one time because she said she was going to get me a computer because my normal computer was missing. And then she never got me a computer, and I was trying to tell her. But she never came over. She just kept helping other people. So I did this all of English class. Literally just a bunch of flowers. Oh, these are some earbud things. The things, my colored pencils. An English paper thing that I don't need. Don't worry, I'll throw it away. And guys, my room is really clean. And I've been taking my trash out every day because somehow it gets super full every day. This is my binder that I have all my study guides in. That I'm just keeping. I don't need some of these now, though. I don't need this because I took this today. Don't need that. Don't need this. Ooh, don't need this. Don't need this. Don't need this. Actually, no. The paper I threw, I'm going to recycle it. Don't worry. Saving the planet. So now I literally have no papers in there. But, oh, and I have this green French packet, and I recycle this, but I have to keep it for next year, because it has all my, like, vocab and stuff, and, yeah. I already almost lost it, almost burned it, but I didn't. Oh, this is the back. These are just some pictures I took. They are all on my Instagram, my photography Instagram. So go follow that at becca.x.photography. I have some great photos up there. Now, no, it fell. I'm gonna cry. And this is just like a bunch of stuff that I had from my binder last year that I just threw in there. Because I'm a hoarder and I kept all my binders, but I just threw them all away. Except for 2. Because one of them's another small binder like this. And like I like having small binders for like, for organization. And then I have one where I was in this really big drawing phase for a few years a while ago. And I have a bunch of drawings in there, so I just have those in a binder. Yeah. They're not good either. They're not good. Okay. Gonna put these over there with that paper I threw so that I can recycle them. Okay, I'm gonna put everything back. Oh no! Okay, I'm going to put everything back in this pouch, and then we can go back through it. Oh, wait, no, I still have some things. These are note cards that I made for biology. Those to recycle. And this is my pencil pouch that I just have a few things in. It's great. Okay. That is it for the first pouch. The next pouch, this one right here, literally has food in it. Some nice veggie straws. And a chip. Because I eat it on my backpack. And that's it for that. This pocket is probably my messiest. I have some lotion because, you know, gotta keep those hands moisturized. Oops. I have an empty gum thing because I devoured gum. Have some pretzels and 2 gum wrappers that have gum on them because I used them to throw them away because I never sat by trash cans. Another gum wrapper. We'll just count. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's raining. Is it 3? It is 3. Literally, I checked the weather today. It says it's going to rain at 3. It's raining at 3. Wait, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 7. 8, 9. Stopped recording. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. Wait. I think it's 22. I probably have more, so just wait. This is gum wrapper plastic. And that thing I said was not a gum wrapper, was a Hershey Kiss wrapper. I have a pen, another piece of gum wrapper, a pack of gum with one last piece of gum, because and it lined up perfectly with my last day of school. It was great. I didn't have to open up my new pack. Okay, 35.
36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. And I think that's it. Let's have some in this pocket. We have 41 right now.
And then I have some chopstick that's absolute trash, but I have it in here anyway. And then I have some business cards for my business. I'd show you the back, but it has my information on it. Don't want to get that away. So, yeah, but these are my business cards. It's called Fancy Snaps Photography. My friend named it. I give her all the credit for naming it. For anyone who's new here, which I doubt there is, it's my dog. I call him all sorts of names, but mainly I call him Butt. I don't even know why, because his name's Cooper, but I call him Butt, and I love him. He's my favorite. We'll put the lotion and the chapstick and the gum and the business cards back. Okay, zip up that pocket. We're not putting the gum wrappers back. Okay, in this pocket, this very last pocket, I have headphones. Oh. My only working earbuds with two. So like both of them work. My other earbuds, only one of them works or none. I had them all good. You know, with headphones. They always get tangled up. These ones are actually broken. Only one of them works. I'm throwing them away. These are the ones I got at the beginning of the year. And then I lost them. And then I found them. Well, my mom found them. And then I got these. And I got another pair too. But these broke. My other pair broke. These are my only working ones. But I always had a backup even if they were broken. Because I'd always forget them at home. Throwing them away too. And then I have my calculator, which should be in my pencil pouch, but it's not because I took it out one day. And then I forgot to put it back in my pencil pouch. Ow. And then I just put it in here. So let's see what else I have in here. I have this that came with these headphones. These are Samsung, by the way. And it came in these. And that's it, other than this wire thing. Oh, I mixed! Have fun with your life. Don't forget to hate me by subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.